Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find someone or how to add someone on Google Chat. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can go to our Google Chat application, and after we have this Google Chat application opened, we can click on the search in chat if you want to find someone, and you just need to type the email address or the Gmail address of someone you're looking for. And I'm just going to look for this account, for example. Okay, and this is the matching suggestion. I'm just going to click on it, and if you want to start the chat, we just need to type on this section and you can send your chat to this account. Okay, alright guys, and that's how we can find someone or add someone on Google Chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.